Welcome to another episode. On this particular episode, I'll be showing you how to make purchases. So what happens when I make a purchase? An example, I have these two products for castings, I have 48 pieces in stock. This general makings, I have 49 pieces in stock. So if I'm making a purchase, again, I can go to suppliers here. You can see now I have a supplier here. Let me use an example of Kenya Breweries. So this being my supplier, you can see I owe the Kenya Breweries nothing. So I have a zero balance with them. So basically, if I make a purchase, again go to the left side panel, choose receiving. So this for purchasing. So once you choose on receiving, you can type in the name of I wanted to use the general makings 750 ml. So you can see I have 49. Maybe I buy 10 of them or I buy 11. Once I buy 11 of them, the system is able to do the calculation and see. I think I'd put my cost with a decimal. That's why you're saying, let me just have a round figure about 570. 570. So that I can have a flat figure here. Then maybe I can choose the forecastings. You can see the forecastings SW750. This one I have 48 in stock. Maybe I can buy 12 of them. 975. So you can see the system is doing the calculations for me. So basically, you can see as if the screen is small, but there's a way of magnified my screen so to make the videos clearer. But you can reduce the resolution of the screen so that everything fits well. But in my case, I'm doing this so that I can make the screen clearer for you as you watch this. So in total, I have the total is 17,970. Here I need to now specify. Maybe here I can choose my supplier has the Kenya Breweries. Once I choose that, then I'll have the options. If I pay them in cash, I'll just click on cash. If I pay them on credit, I just choose credit. If I pay them on M-Pesa, then I'll choose M-Pesa. Maybe I can pay them in cash. I can pay 10,000 as cash. Then the balance, I can put it in the account so that this one I'll pay next time. So I have the balance of 79.70. So then after this, I just finish. Once that is done, the system will generate for me a GRN or a goods received note. Then this one which I can print or I can opt not to print because I already have the original invoice from the supplier. So just cancel on this. Then I need to check two things. One, I need to see how that transaction has affected my stocks. So if I go to inventory, then I go to items, you can see now the vacancies, we have 60 of them, and the general makings, we have 60. Again, if I click on any of them under stocks as an admin, if I go down here, I'll now be able to see how it's building up the history of every particular product. I started with 50. I sold one. It remained 49. I bought another 11. It went to 60. So it will keep on building upwards. How the transactions are moving. I can see this one was a sale transaction, and I can click on it and see which sale was it. And if I go back again, also I'm able to see the other one was a receiving and bought stock. So even if I click on it, I can see the document that I used to receive. So basically, that's how it manages your stocks. Again, this is also has been recorded as a purchase, and this one will be seeing it when you'll be looking at the reports. That one is part of the report. So basically, that's how you make a purchase from your suppliers. So at any given time, the system is able to monitor and track the movement of your stocks. I'll also be showing you other things like the returns. You can have sales return, and also we can have purchases return and how they are going to affect your transaction. So thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing and sharing the video.